what up YouTube, this is Technical Side in here in another video. So today I'm going to show you how to sideload apps to Windows Assistant for Android with the most easiest step you will ever see. Alright, so first we'll have to give this link. You will find this link in the description. Alright, just download this tool. Just download anyway. So here's the tool. Just double click on it. Keep this file checked. Okay, keep this and this. Just normal installation. Okay, that's it. So if you want to, for example, this is what over here, if you want to install it, it does not give us install option. Alright, it's hidden. So first we need to enable some settings to perform this. Okay, open WSA. Go to the developer option. Make sure this is enabled, okay? And hit this manage developer settings. Enable this USB debugging. First thing. Press OK. Scroll down. The default USB configuration, this must be enabled. This is the most important settings. Okay, hit file, change it to file transfer. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. Just close this window. Now we'll try again. For example, double click on it. You see, it gives us the install option right now, so hit install. Just wait a few seconds. This is the most successful method you will ever see on YouTube. The application tab scanner was successfully installed. Okay, if you want desktop shortcuts, let's try open the app. Everything is lagging for me because I only have 6. So that's it guys, I hope you like this video and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video and drop a comment if you have something to say. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.